Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video we are going to take a closer look at the Seasonal Wind 6x6 stencil. This is a new product from the autumn impression release from Trinity Stamps. Here I'm showing you how this beautiful stencil looks and how it comes with all the negative pieces as well. If you want to mask any of the swirls off, you are able to do that. This is perfect for creating those autumn winds, but it can also be used any time of the year. Here I'm showing you how it looks when I'm using some white pigment ink through the stencil with our blending brushes from Trinity Stamps. And this goes really effortlessly through the stencil. I just use some masking tape to hold my stencil down. And by the way, the paper I'm using here is a slimline paper, so you can get an idea of how big this stencil is when it goes across a panel. I will do this one more time and you can see how it looks on a standard A2 size panel, and this time I'm using the blending brushes and some inks. This stencil could also coordinate perfectly with the new Beautiful Breeze stamp set, as well as the Stitched Swirling Winds die set. And in a second here I will show you a couple of projects where I used all of these together to create a panel. And by the way, you can also create a full panel like I'm doing here by rotating the stencil and filling in all the space you have on your card panel. So here is a couple of projects where I use all the three products that I talked about, and the stencil is of course the main focus here. If you like even more inspiration, I will leave you with some close-ups from our design team. You can also visit our Instagram page, our blog and our Facebook page. Until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!